Hey everybody, it's Matt Blake, sales manager here at Zilla Wraps, and I got something special for you for this Friday wrap-up. It's only one vehicle, but we only need to show you one vehicle, and I'm talking, it is bright, baby. It is the Camry we just finished for Sparkle Kate's, and check it out. Oh my gosh, look at this, folks. What started out as a cute little white car is now a gorgeous, very cute, bright pink rolling head turner, folks. This is a very cute color, and Sparkle Kate's is gonna blow up her Instagram with this bad boy. And you can see we did it all the way around. We got all the details. We got the handles. We got everything. It looks great. It matches her fuzzy pink seats. I don't know if you can see those. She has fuzzy pink seats, you guys. So check it out. This is so cool. So a lot of you folks ask, can we do any color? We can do just about any color on your car. So if you want to get something crazy, head turning, bright, beautiful, awesome, whatever, pink, purple, green, we can do it all. Check us out at Zilla Wraps. Have a great weekend, everybody. Let us know what we can do for you. Thanks.